Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these replacement holes for the above ground pool. These do come with two hoses, clamps, as well as the adapters. Alright, so right here we have the replacement package of the swimming pool hoses. It does come with 4 clamps, 2 replacement holes, and the adapters. I decided to purchase this one because my pool is not an Intex and I wanted to bypass the filter that it has already. So those hoses that comes with the filter does not fit, so I decided to go with these replacement ones. And it does have clamps and the adapter, so it'll work just great. So first off, you can see in this bag here I have the hose. They are 59 inches length in diameter. They have a 1.5 inches diameter. And so you can see that these clamps right here are for the Intex pool replacements. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these hoses and these adapters to my filter. So we're just going to go ahead and pop out these hoses. They are great quality. They are not super loose. You don't have to worry about them bending. They are exactly like the same ones that come with the Intex, except for the ends can be used with clamps. These hoses are made of P and Ava material. It's reliable, reusable, safe, and sturdy. So you can see right here, you just put the clamp in right here. I will just remove the rubber thing at the top just so I can clamp it up. So the other hoses that do come with the filtration system have the other end on it, so you cannot use any clamps. So that's why I purchased these ones to replace the hoses. So right here are the clamps. These will go on each side of the clamps to clamp the hoses to my filter as well as to the pool. So what I'm going to do is take this apart, and I'm going to go outside to my backyard to where my hose is at, and I'm going to connect them to my filter system. Alright, so right now we're outside. I have connected the hoses to my filter system with the adapter. You can see the adapter right here. Here is the clamp. This one is coming from the pool itself, and the other one's going from the pump to the pool. So there's the filter, the pool going into the filter, and then from the filter to the pool. These are really nice hoses. They're very good quality. They're just like the ones of the manufacturer of Intex. The only thing is it doesn't have the end like this one does. You do need the adapters, which this kit here does come with the adapter. So if you're looking for nice replacement hoses with the adapters, I would highly recommend checking out this set.